Where is he? Sully, get him. You tell Mama. Did you get him? Sully likes to chase the woodpecker off the bird feeder. Is he up there? You gonna get him? Come here, over here in the light, Bubba. Did you see him? You just gonna sit and bark at him? That's that woodpecker. Tell Mama all about it. What is it? What are you doing? Where is he? Whoa! It's pretty deep right there. Where is he? Do you see him? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did you see him? Tell Mama. Yeah? All right. Oh, it's deep right there. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? All right. You gotta go take a break. Oh my goodness. Sullivan, you ready to go in? You see him?